What if the moon woke up? Imagine standing outside one night, looking up at the same familiar silver orb humanity has gazed upon for tens of thousands of years. The moonlight washes over rooftops, forests, oceans. But tonight, something feels wrong. The air is heavy. The shadows stretch unnaturally long, and then the moon blinks. At first, you think it's your imagination, a cloud passing overhead. But then the entire lunar surface ripples, like skin. Craters shift like pores. The dark seas of the moon rearrange into something resembling an eye, and it is looking directly at Earth. For as long as we've existed, the moon has been silent. A lifeless rock drifting in orbit, pulling at our tides, stabilizing our planet's wobble. But what if that silence wasn't emptiness? What if it was sleep? And what if now our moon has finally woken up? The first night people panic. Social media explodes with blurry videos, the moon moving, just slightly, its face twitching in ways it never has before. Astronomers go mad trying to explain it. Telescopes capture impossible details, grooves contracting like muscle fibers, glowing veins pulsing under its crust. The moon is alive, and it's hungry. The tides change first, not slowly but violently. Entire coastlines are swallowed as the moon flexes its gravitational pull. Oceans rise like living things, dragging ships under. Cities near water, Tokyo, New York, Mumbai, drown overnight. But the horror doesn't stop at the sea. You see, if the moon is conscious, if it knows we're here, then we're no longer its children. We're prey. The once gentle moonlight grows harsher, piercing like floodlights across the earth. Crops burn under its intensity. Animals flee their habitats, and every night, humanity huddles in terror beneath a glowing eye in the sky that never closes, and then it speaks. Not in words, not in any language, but in vibrations, a deep rumbling that shakes every atom of your body. Cities crumble, glass shatters, and people collapse, clutching their ears as blood pours out. The moon's voice is older than life on Earth. It speaks not to us, but through us. Those who hear it are driven mad, chanting strange lunar hymns, clawing their eyes out to mimic the moon's craters. Scientists call it astrophobia, fear of the heavens. But this is no phobia, it is survival. We look at the moon, and the moon looks back, and the longer it's awake, the worse it gets. Earth's orbit begins to decay. The moon inches closer, faster every night. Tectonic plates grind, volcanoes erupt, earthquakes tear cities apart. Humanity scrambles to escape, to Mars, to anywhere, but every rocket is crushed by the moon's new magnetic grip. We cannot leave. The oldest myths begin to resurface. Cults proclaim the moon as a god finally stirring. Some worship it, some beg it, some offer sacrifices hoping to appease it. But the truth is crueler. The moon doesn't care. It is not benevolent. It is not cruel. It is indifferent, and indifference is far more terrifying. In the final days, the night sky is no longer dark. The moon fills half the horizon, veins glowing like molten rivers, its surface splitting apart. Mountains crumble under its pull, oceans rise into the air, spiraling upward as though Earth itself is being consumed. And then you feel it. Not the pull of gravity, but the weight of its gaze. A gaze so vast, so alien, it crushes your mind. This was never our world. We were simply living under the eyelid of something older, something vast beyond comprehension. The moon was never dead. It was dreaming. And tonight, it has woken. So what would happen if the moon woke up? The tides would rise. The ground would tremble. The world would burn. But the truth is simpler and far darker. If the moon wakes, Earth doesn't end with a bang. It ends with a single unblinking stare.